Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd.
Muslims around the world will celebrate Eid al-Adha, which is also called the festival of sacrifice, with great joy and well wishes. It falls on the 10th day of the al-Hijjah, the 12th and the last month of the Muslim lunar calendar. Eid al-Adha is the second major Muslim festival after Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. Eid al-Adha enjoys special significance because the day of sacrifice marks the climax of Hajj or pilgrimage, the fifth pillar of Islam. This annual pilgrimage to Makkah and Medina in Saudi Arabia is an obligation only for those men and women who are physically and financially able to perform it once in their lifetime. Around 2.5 million pilgrims from around the world flock annually to the cities of Mecca and Medina for the ritual. Eid al-Adha is celebrated to commemorate Prophet Ibrahim's devotion to Allah and his readiness to sacrifice his firstborn son Ismail. Muslims believe that the Prophet Ibrahim was tested by God, who commanded him to sacrifice Ismail. The command by Allah was a test of Prophet Ibrahim's willingness and commitment to obey his Lord's command without question. Ibrahim, with a heavy heart, was prepared to submit to the Lord's command, but God stayed his hand at the last moment. Instead, he was told to sacrifice an animal, likely a lamb or a sheep. Therefore, Eid al-Adha means a festival of sacrifice. The celebration of Eid al-Adha can last anywhere between 2 and 3 days. Muslims begin the celebration by partaking in special Eid prayers, which are performed in congregation at a mosque or an open ground called Eidgah. Eid prayers take place right after dawn and are followed by a short sermon. Following the Eid prayers is the act of Qurbani, which is the slaughtering of an animal as a sacrifice to mark this occasion in remembrance of Prophet Ibrahim's sacrifice. Qurbani is mandatory for all Muslims who can afford it. The sacrificial animal must be a sheep, lamb, goat, cow or camel. The animal sacrifice comes with an element of charity, as the person paying for the sacrifice is required to distribute parts of it to others. The Qurbani meat can be divided into 3 equal portions per share. 1/3 is for you and your family, 1/3 is for friends, and the final third is to be donated to those in needs. Some Muslims will pay for an animal to one of the charities around the world that collect funds to remote animal sacrifices and then distribute the meat to underprivileged groups, including refugees, the elderly, and disabled. Muslims celebrate this day by preparing a huge feast which includes a variety of lip-smacking delicacies. In these dishes, the tradition is to use fresh meat from the slaughtered animal. Popular dishes include various types of kebabs, halim and biryani. Eid al-Adha has a celebratory character and the day is rounded off by visiting friends and families. Children make the best memories on this day. Families come together and share a laugh. The day is filled with happiness and gratitude. Hoping for peace, harmony, happiness, good health and prosperity. Team Sala wishes its viewers Eid Mubarak.